Welcome to the NRA Basics of Pistol Shooting. Millions of Americans just like you own pistols, either for recreational and competitive shooting, hunting, personal protection, gun collecting, or simply to exercise the right of gun ownership guaranteed by the United States Constitution. So in order to help citizens learn to own and use a pistol safely and effectively, the National Rifle Association, America's largest firearm training organization, developed the NRA Basic Pistol Shooting course and this companion video, the NRA Basics of Pistol Shooting.
This video will help you acquire the knowledge, skills, and attitude necessary to own and use a pistol safely. We'll cover the major parts of a pistol, the various types, and how they operate. Along the way, we'll discuss the fundamental gun safety rules and how they're applied when firing a pistol.
Also, we'll tell you about pistol ammunition, the fundamentals of shooting, and the techniques of firing a pistol from the bench rest and two-handed standing shooting positions. Then finally, we'll show you how to select pistols and pistol ammunition, how to properly clean a pistol, and how to pursue a variety of pistol shooting activities after this course.
If you feel overwhelmed or would like to review some previous material, please feel free to use the menu button on your remote to return to a chapter select menu. There you can jump around to the topics you're most interested in.